I think more so than any other place I've worked or been involved with, the faculty at Northwestern and the zeitgeist here is one that really appreciates undergraduates. We are in awe of our students. We are challenged by them, we're driven by them. We are collaborators and mentors, and it really moves the ball along. So this is a fantastic place if you want to interact with faculty and work on important questions and learn how to drive questions yourself. And so I think it's one of the best places I've ever seen for them. My name's Vijay Mittal, and I'm the chair of the psychology department and the David Holmes Professor of Brain Science at Northwestern University. My work focuses on understanding teenagers and young adults, and I follow them over time using a range of psychology methods. And my goal is to try to understand what kinds of things differentiate youth who go on to do well and youth who go on to develop serious mental illnesses like schizophrenia. One of the things that really helps Northwestern stand apart is that we provide direct research opportunities to undergraduates. In many universities, undergraduates are primarily mentored by graduate students or postdoctoral fellows and rarely see a faculty member. Here at Northwestern, our classes are very small. We invite people to be involved with our lab, or our students come up and talk to us while we're teaching, or they find us on the web. We talk about their interests. We know them on a first-name basis, and we get to know them. They're playing a role in this active research process. And really, they're learning about what research is through their classes, through the experiences in the lab, through their interactions with other lab members. Studying psychology in the Midwest is a really wonderful experience because of the diversity of the communities that surround us. Chicago is fantastically diverse, and Northwestern takes that into the didactics, and it's something that we are really prioritizing. We have a diversity science salon that we provide, a certificate in diversity science, and a lot of our faculty are working in the community, and it benefits our students who are working with those faculty. Northwestern psychology is a special place. The first thing I think about Northwestern when I see it, in particular the psychology department, is the size. The faculty are between 30 and 40. That really is a large number of people for the number of undergraduates that we have here. And that allows for undergraduates to get real hands-on access to what the faculty are up to. In addition to that, our faculty include a roster of world leaders in any given area. We have so many opportunities for students to actually work with the people they're reading about in these textbooks because they're here, and in some cases they've written the textbooks.